But we begin tonight with the strike grinding General Motors to a halt.
Members of the United Auto Workers Union have been on the picket line for almost 24 hours now, and controversy is brewing over health care coverage during the walkout.
7 Action News reporter Alan Campbell live in Romulus tonight, where striking workers received a show of support. Alan?
Well, state representatives join the folks out here on the picket line in Romulus as those contract negotiations continue with General Motors. Those state representatives want the folks out here to know that they have their backs.
We are the union! We are the union!
The middle class workers are the ones that keeps America going, and they need to pay us and bring that business back.
Tens of thousands of UAW workers walked off the job at midnight Monday as the union failed to come to a contract agreement with GM. State representatives walking the picket line showing their support for union workers.
We know that GM and the other big three are making record profits year after year, and it is our turn to make sure that our workers have their fair share too.
During the first day of the strike by the UAW, word was going around some local unions that members' health care coverage is being canceled effective immediately by the company. A spokesman for the union says this is not the case and confirmed that health care will continue through the end of this month. However, GM responding saying, quote, "We understand strikes are difficult and disruptive to families. While on strike, hourly employees will be eligible for COBRA so their health care benefits can continue. The cost of COBRA will not be covered by the company."
What it sounds like to me are another set of scare tactics to try to force workers back to the table to take a deal that isn't good for them.
Around 48,000 workers nationwide walked off the job. Sources confirming to 7 Action News, GM tried to avert a strike with 2 hours before the contract expired. The union says it was too little, too late, and did not address other major issues.
And it was shameful that they've had our demands for a long time and then they wait for the final hour to present something and not even talk about it and then act like we're the bad guys.
Workers say they just want what's right and fair.
Multiple cars. They're being made in Mexico, Korea, China. We need that business here because we're the ones buying those vehicles.
And tonight, workers I spoke with say they're not sure how long this strike will last. Of course, they're hoping it ends sooner rather than later, but say they're ready for however long it takes. Reporting live tonight in Romulus, I'm Alan Campbell, 7 Action News.